Hey, beautiful. So you think you coming to get my dogs, right? Right? Is that what you thinking? You thinking you coming to get my dogs? Come on, baby. Come on over. Come on over. Come on over. Come think you getting these dogs. Come think you getting these dogs. Come on. Come on. You think you getting these dogs. Here they are. Clear as day. You won't be touching my fucking dogs. Understood? Understood. This glue up my finger. So whoever little Miss Nana Bella Boo, whoever the fuck you is, come try to get them. Come try. Come try. Please do. I get this glue up my damn hand. And trust me, there's been already calls about, stuff. So my dogs are being watched closely. Sheriffs got, what they need. So just know you ain't taking the dogs. More than my eyes are on these dogs, believe that. So again, if you think you're coming to get them, come try. Come try. Guarantee you don't leave with them. Guaranteed you don't leave with them. And that's all God. You ain't leaving with them. Look at them. Look at them babies. Yeah, those are mine. Those are mine. Those are mine. They're my butterballs. So I just had to come on and let, Mugs know. If you think you're coming to get them, you can come try. Come try. Come try. When you got higher up people that are way higher than you motherfucking is, and they see what they needed to see, you done fucked yourself, baby. You done fucked yourself. So yeah, the dogs are well watched, and I'll, walk them proudly with or without a leash, because you ain't touching them. I don't even think they'll let you touch them. Pride might bite you. What you doing, pretty girl? Stretch them muscles. They are sweet babies. They're my sweet babies. Well, my kids is. Leia is my oldest, and Pride is my youngest. My youngest's dog is Pride. Leia is the oldest. So, yeah. But I don't know. These strange people in the world just think that they can just come take my dogs. Let's see them try. Let's see them try. Because they're not going to get far. They're not going to get far at all. What's that little Pride doing? You over there stretching her little muscles. I did my nails online, and now I got glue all over my finger. Hand. Leia, let her lay. Sleep, lay. No, you just want to play with her. Hey! Pride, you are so good. She just lets Leia do whatever. Leia, now that's enough. Leia! I said enough. No. Come here. Get on my lap. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Come on right now. They think they're going to come get you and your sister. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? Are they allowed to have you? Are they? Are they allowed to have you? Okay, they're not taking you. Relax. Come here. Come on. Nana got you. Come here. Well, tuck my neck before she breaks that. Come here. Come here. Nana's not letting them take you. Come here. Come here. Come here, pretty girl. Oh, God. She getting heavy, you guys. Don't worry. Oh. Oh, you baby. Oh, yes. No lips. You don't kiss my... Oh, go to sleep. I love that woman. I swear I love her. Don't worry, sis. I don't know if you're in here, but I got your text. Believe me, they on it. They on it. They got what they need, baby. They're on it. These dogs will not be took, believe that. I'll stand outside and wait for their ass. I don't give a fuck. They still ain't leaving with the dogs. But if they feel, the need to believe that they are going to, they can believe that till the minute they pull the fuck up. And then they find out they ain't going nowhere with my dogs. Just like that. And that's how that happens. Ow, Leia, you scratched my leg. Look at her digging out her sister's blanket, messing that thing all up. Yeah, her messing your blanket up. Yeah. I'll fix it. I fix it for you, baby. She's not taking over your chair. Don't worry. I won't let her. She lays with Mama in the bed. You get the chair. She just likes chewing on little pieces of... This is why I don't like doing makeup, because I start to break out. I gotta re-glitter my nails tomorrow, too. Because this one, it done fucked up. So I'm just gonna fix that one in the morning. The rest are still fine. And going. It's just that one. But I just wanted to hop on here real quick just to let, everybody and their mother know that my pups will be with me until God decides, hey, Pride and Leia, we need you home. Till then, guess what? They're here with me. Yeah, that's what's happening. Sorry to bust your bubble. Yeah, I do see you peeking. They all peek. They do. They all peek. Alright, you guys. But that's what I wanted to go on here and say, that, you can think you are, but you're not. Just, on God, no, you're not. Sleep on it. Please do. Because you're not taking my mutts. And I could call them mutts. They're my dogs. So they're my mutts. Okay? Okay. What's up, Nicole? Well, I really wouldn't say Pride is a mutt. Because she is a chocolate lab. Full-blooded chocolate lab. Now, Leia, she is a pit and bull mix. So that would make her a mutt. Look at this beautiful girl here. Check her out. Look at the way she's laying. She looks like she's about to slide. Look at my sheet getting ready to plop off the bed. It's okay. You lay there and chill, girl. Then we got this one. Look at this one. She messed up the blanket for Pride. Messed up the blanket. I'm going to have to fix it for her. Who's here? Who's here? Let's see if she'll act out. Act like somebody's here. Who's here? Someone's gonna get you. Oh shit, Pride got up. Never mind. Look at Pride. I'm like, who's here? Look at her. And you think you're gonna take them? Alright. Come try. They're lovely, absolutely. But I don't see them letting you take them anywhere. Quit looking up my nose. She looks so sad. Look at her. Are you sad, Leia? Oh. Ew. Pride, are you sad? Pride, are you sad? You not sad? Are you happy? You happy, Pride? Motherfucker, answer me. You happy? Hey! Princess! You happy? Damn, my girl. Oh, stretch the mother. Oh, you're not gonna come give me a kiss or anything? You don't love me? I knew. She'll love me. Look at her. She looks like she's about to eat me. Are you gonna eat me? Oh, no. She's just gonna lay down. Oh, you okay? You okay, princess? You need the hammock maneuver? Oh, look at this one. Look at. Where you at? Look, Pride will lay you out. You better check yourself. You see how big she is compared to you? Don't you go after her tail. She could wag her tail. Look at her. She's about ready to tag that tail. Because her tail's going. Look at her. Like a fucking cat. Don't you do it. Leave her alone. She can wag her tail. At Nana. That's how she's waving to me, saying hi. Hi, baby. Hi. You want to paint your nails? What color? No paint your nails. You want to go get your nails? Leia! And there she went, right for the tail. Right for the tail. Right for the tail. You want me? I'll take you to the nail salon. You want to go to the nail salon and get your nails did? In a petty and menu? Look, Pride's backing up away from her and she's still trying to. Pride's like, just leave me alone. Why do you not leave her alone? Please leave her alone. Oh, don't worry, Nana's coming, baby. Oh, she gets up for Nana, though. Yes, it does. Don't you blow your fucking snots on me. What do you think you're doing? I love you, baby. Say hi. Say hi. No. Tell me a secret. Tell me. What? Who did? Who said that? They did. They did. Huh? Can I have a kiss? Hey, does Nana get a kiss? Hey, Pride. Can I get a kiss? You're not gonna. Hey, can I have a kiss? No. Oh, okay, Paul. All right. Oh, you'll kiss my hand though, huh? Oh, you don't want to kiss me. Probably because you stop licking or biting her leg. I save you, baby. I save you. I save you. Oh, go to sleep, baby. Go to sleep. You a solid ass girl. You solid. You's a healthy baby. Yeah. You got a guy on. I'm just kidding, Pride. Do you even know what that is? Probably not. You look like Snoop Dogg. Yeah, she looks like Snoop Dogg. That's Snoop Doggy Dogg. And Dr. Dre. Mm-hmm. Don't worry, she's not going to get you with Nana standing right here. No. No, we're not getting you with me right here. Leia, get off her tail. Off of her tail. Yeah, Nana protect you. No. Good girl. Yeah, you need a massage. She's getting a massage, you guys. She needs a massage. Yeah, that feels good. Oh, she likes that. Oh, that feels good. Look at that coat shine, baby. Look at that coat shine. Hey! Look what she is doing to my bed. That is a no-no. Look it, miss. You can't be chewing on that. So she does it again. No. My hair is going all over. Leia, no, not my dress. Now she's trying to chew my dress. Yeah. She's a good girl. Alright. You ready to go in your bed? In your chair. Mama's got to fix it for you. Leia fucked it up for you. We'll fix your blankie. We'll fix your blankie. You guys want to see what just came? DoorDash came like about 5 minutes ago. And I got a surprise. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Look at him. Hi, baby. So these are cookies. Chocolate chip cookies from McDonald's. Damn, them bitches smell good. Damn, 13 of them. Think I should eat them all? I'm not ready to. Get some milk or something, you know? And then I got 2 large frappes as well. Oh, damn. And there's warm, soft. Ooh. Oh my God, they're so warm. Oh, they're so warm. Oh, the chocolate's melting. Oh God, they're so. Mmm. Mmm. Oh boy. Yeah. They're really warm. Like they just made them. That's the horse drinking. I got a horse over here. She's drinking. Woo! Yeah, 13 of them. Oh, that chocolate. And then, well, we got 2 of these. But I'm going to save them for in the morning because I cannot have it before I go to bed. No, ma'am. You want some watermelon and whipped cream? Dad. Oh, this cookie's so warm. Mmm. Woo! That chocolate. You guys can't have chocolate chip cookies. There's the yarn. Probably must be ready for bed. Oh. I'll put that back in there. Oh, I'm gonna take this in the room. Snack on it. Oh boy. The only thing is I don't know if it happens with everybody, but I know if I eat before I go to bed, or even something sweet, I don't know if it's something sweet or if I just eat anything at all, and then I go right to bed, I have a nightmare. Like, if I eat and then lay right down, I have like a nightmare. Damn, I just showered. My hair looked like shit. It's probably because I just threw it up. Oh, boy. And that shower was everything. It's been about 20 years. You know? Oh, I thought that was Paw Patrol. I was about to say Paw Patrol's on, but it's not Paw Patrol. Damn, my hair smells good. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Alright, you guys. So that's what I just wanted to come on and say. Ooh. Oh, I lost my ponytail. Not for long. Oh, yeah, and you're not chewing us either. Oh, God. Alright. And so, I did. I knew there was a piece of hair in my phone. So I just came on to say that. You know what I mean? See, my daughters, those are new. Those are for her, though. But I have to keep them up there because these two, they want it. Play with it and eat it. It gets their toy. They're Plushmallows. One's name is Actual Peter, and the other one, I can't even pronounce the name. I don't know. It's like a SYL. I don't know. But yeah, those are from my oldest got hers. And then Faith got a plant. Well, they both got a plant. So when I get one, I get both. They just got different. So she got those two. And then my oldest got a cupcake. And then a cupcake pillow thing. Mushmallow, whatever. Marshmallow, whatever the fuck you call them. And then Faith got tulips. And Jalen got daisies. And because they deserve that. Because they are my everything. Look at the gray starting to come back in already. Maybe that's just my scalp. I don't know. Ooh. You okay? Okay. Alright. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna hop off here. I just had to hop in here real quick. I had to talk with my security guards. But you guys have a good night. I'm gonna lay down here in a minute after I finish my cigarette, though. So I have been told to watch out by a lot of people about that West guy. So it wasn't just like one person. A few people, I guess, are telling me. And I am watching, just so you guys know. I'm not gifting, I'm not nothing. I'm now watching to see what you guys are talking about. You know, so I can, see what really is going on here. I was told to watch out, a bunch of things. So we're gonna just watch. I don't know, a person on the app. Yeah, it's a person on the app. His name is Wes. But it's Smiles or something. But, So now I gotta sit back and watch and, observe and, then go from there, like I did with the rest. And, now I don't even entertain that shit at all. You don't even catch me in there live. I mean, no. So there was one that, is very ungrateful. Whether I gifted her a penny, 50 cents, $1.20, or whatever I gifted you, you should be grateful. And you weren't. You wanted bigger and better gifts, I guess. Well, I hope you enjoyed that $1.20 something I gave you in gifts, because I will not gift you again. Okay? Okay. And that's where I learn. That's where I learn and educate. Because everybody kept trying to tell me, oh, this Kim, this Kim, this Kim, this... No. Lori's going to go check it out and see what's up herself. And I did. I definitely did. I checked it out. And, yep, little be motherfucking hold. Ungrateful as fuck. Ungrateful. But it's okay. That's where we're not the same. That's where we're not the same, and we're never going to be the same. So now what I'm going to do is finish my cigarette. And I got to text one of my mods. I can't tell you her name. But I'll give you a letter that's in her name. I. There's an I in her name. I. Now, if you can figure the rest out, then good for you. If you can't, then I don't know what to say. But I need to text somebody in her name. There's an I. Piece of hair on my ponytail. So I gotta... You too, baby. You too. Alright, later, you guys. And don't think you're getting my dogs, because you're not.